Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reduce Shopify abandoned cart. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So let's head over in here to a new tab and let's head over to apps.shopify.com. This is actually the app store of Shopify. Now you can click on the search bar right here and then try to search for abandoned cart. So click on this abandoned cart right here and it should be able to provide you some search results based on this. So you can use this push abandoned cart recovery that can recover abandoned carts, notify back in stock, price drop discounts, and web push notification. So installing this application on your Shopify store will help some customers who abandoned their cart go back to your store. Another thing that you can do is you can head back to your dashboard, click on the settings right here, and under the settings, you should be able to see this customer accounts as well as the notifications right in here. So look for notifications. Now in here, you can see we have this customer notifications. So click on this one. And in here, you can see a lot of customer notifications, like for example, order confirmation, wrap invoice, local delivery, gift cards right here, as well as order exceptions, payments, point of sale, shipping updates, returns, account, and slash, and everything that you have right here. So just head over and look for the abandoned cart email that they have, and then you should be able to contact your customers, send persistent emails to them. One thing you can also use is you can use this new gift card right here. You can send the customers or recipient when a gift card is fulfilled or when you send a gift card. So in here, let's click on this new gift card. And then in here, you see that this is what the new gift card email will look like. So head over and edit this code right here, and then you can send it to customers and ours and entice them to go back to your store and then check out your product. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!